So today's video is brought to you by Lasfit. They sent me out some of the LED switchback turn signal bulbs for the Tacoma. I gotta fix it, you guys. So Lasfit sent me out some of their nice switchback T3 brand LED bulbs. And we already know they're one of the best. So let's install these and show you how they are. We got that same easy install just like the 4Runner. This time it's really 4 clips on this intake right here. Pull up. That's it. So we have access to the turn signal. And all it is right here. That top bulb, turn to the left, pull out, and there's the bulb. So, like I said, I had a hyper flash with these ones that were sent to me. So I'm fixing the problem. Stick with Lasfit, guys. They really have the best products and customer service and shipping. 2 days I got the product. So we'll just take this out. There's the Lasfit bulb. Again, if you remember, the light bulbs, if they don't work, just take it out and turn it around, put it back in. I'm just gonna check the light real quick to see if I have to do that. And it didn't turn on, so we'll just do that. Turn it around, put it back in, fixes the problem. And now just reinstall it. And turn to the right, it's locked in. As easy as that, you guys. I do the same for the next side, and easy as that, you guys, we're done. Now let's check out the lights. They just stay yellow. Halogen bulb, that's not even bright. Insane bright. And look at that, yellow to all clear switches too, since it's the switchback lights. Yellow to clear. So sick it does that. Even more premium. I totally recommend you guys get these bulbs from Lasfit, the LED switchback T3 lights. They're awesome, you guys. Lasfit really is the best in the game. So check them out. The Lasfit LED bulbs will last 30,000 hours. And they're 500% brighter than the stock halogen bulb. It's awesome, you guys. They'll probably last longer than I have the truck. Check out my description. Has my 15% off discount with Lasfit. Code BLUESTI, the LED lights, floor mats, and bed mat. A link in the description. But thanks for watching, you guys.